0302211701, 0302211702, 0302211703, 0302211703. Me say, Nyabotrama normalization, FIFA extension, ye reforming Ghana football. Extension we club to me a boy, I'm a one papa also here for president. And yes, here kotoa ba fun biao. So normalization, they are in charge and still in charge. What? Who's who you so called football person? When you bria won't tears and fire burn you. Young so nonsense biaso. Lawyer fire near query obia 3 seconds. More fire in 3 heba. Lawyer 3 seconds in 3 heba. Bet way.
Songo mame mo abaso songo me say enyanwa songo enyanwa songo ma ti bi say o ye for say adman
Bon fire
o kan no papa le den na Georgia fie tadi asema wo kan say e wo say ntie yi be 3 and 4 film le no kre say Georgia fie da fie ma wi o say pa ma film say le Georgia fie den no wi no wo say you put the football ma players and then wo je ti organize ko so mo wo bla wo ye Olante. If you ever said that you get me some more money now, because you got the place of every yeah. That is a said yet, and I'm on something for
Oja lawyer more fire in 3 heba. Nigeria bonfire. Kwasam so 3 seconds.
Just kind of question them for Ben said them for grow. So come that 13 good years. Ghana football na say. The football league go come na Papa na say that fear my bear waje. The football league be go come my coefficient. The football we say been first Papa na 20 team to the bus. Ni na dia say be so. Dia be say no. The you be nyan say ni wa so ntia say. So the back court you free no. I just can any idiot can go to court. The enemy to the free here all the way.
Oja more fire. One man so. Coviphobia more fire. 0302211701, 0302211702, 0302211703. Me say normalization extension correct. And then I'm a person who sees to say correct. Umpo normalization is still in charge. Ishak more fire.
More fire zongo.
More fire.
Normalization only in charge. I'm saying FIFA and a bit my day assistant. Dr. Kofi Amwa, if I think government say, more than morning to and I almost extending up for 2 years, Crampon, I'm going to be yes, no, about 1 day. As yes, we are watching a senior years for about a unipa with my baby DFN, and yet, Omwa, Kwasa, for which is can almost Mombakasana, Pamana in a criminal pop on call, yes, you cry now, go to hell. So now, also,
what my Lampard, more fire, normalization is in charge. Umpo. Yeah, reforming Ghana football here in Tuaba. Lampard, 3 seconds, more fire.
I think so. Somehow, about 20 days.
Uni Rob Polar I Joe, more fire. Arafat, more fire. Oba Pabetu Masaba.
The American say, GF now, NCNA, Dr. Kofi Amwa, and the morning born in Swami.
As you are standing,
I can't question Dr. Kofi Amwa. No to Tunyama. They say, Mano, black place, Boba, or Bianima, or Konai, local brother, can you be anywhere, or can you be? If you don't pass up a number of Ghana football, what has never to Tunyama? They were next to go a tournament. Yabibi, near who's a Yabibi. Oh, Dr. Oviama, 7,500 China come out, and no one will enjoy that.
Oja, Mamiko Sunyani, Ashavin, nonsense, 13 years for no Musa and Runtimin Kantarumu. Outside the reform, until the Ampere on Kotuaba. Yeah, reforms. More fire. 3 seconds. Jinaye na kwa samna so amre ni 3 seconds. More fire.
Normalization committee no more
more fire.
Eba kay emre 13 good years here. 13 good years ay emre pa. Ni eba be to na de pete ni akwa ko obi akeke ye okromwa e na birimu tina diska. The Master Commission, one time last year. Now, what the country disqualified will be more for the human. Just throw me up with no Dr. Kofi. Now, Mom, Mustapha, Niampa, beyond 2 years.
Oja, you found no man to 2 years. Now, the normalization be flew on every watch now. Majesty, more fire. More fire. Uni Rob Polar and Zio. More fire.
Premier teams, you know, amom bro ye coach team say what e ba ha no
Ball fire.
ye best obia me dada
Ball fire.
na sini kwapo no time le kwa sometimes na 2 years count
Ball fire.
mo aso mu tie ye coach no ya sem
Ball fire.
ye to see players na ebi mu afa na ma ton mu omo wi ma ka say ama to ma de wi a ye sem kwa besi kwa je de chef zongo get ambassadors that the players say que c'est na ma say bis kaka de mamu e sha so mu che bi say of them coach yeah coach
Oja ball fire. Ajana one ball fire normalization. On one year Jumano to say I reform Ghana football we. Ajana one what 3 seconds.
Songo.
Yetio
Yo ya maumoni ajuma songo. Na ni yako sonu ya mubi ye njintum. So mo extending normalization. Mo rashi say ya koye election. Ya extending omo time mo rashi say ya koye election.
Fantastic.
Omo no mo to that saying because say ya rashi. Ifini kikawo ebinimu hu aya party omutru no enti momunya botre se omutimi disqualify opia because amu ye o sani omuka obi ti
Oja omunwie normalization wie na adwuma. Say 1 year and I said 2 years cry be we are reforms no. Oja
Let me say well. Let me say well.
fire for fire, no time for any imbecility. Fire, we done shower. More fire. Baron, more fire.
Yeah, Nami monitor BBA UK.
Fire, as always.
Nice one.
No man can be blue. Nyamia Duma. There's a lot.
Okay.
You understand? Award. And this week, so before Friday, you know.
Premier, and say about
Saturday.
Okay.
Ghetto hero. Silver bed.
Nothing West Hills.
And a West Hills.
West Hills, yeah.
Yeah.
7 then 9 p.m.
Yeah, 7 then 9 p.m. Okay. 7 was silver bed.
Okay.
And a 9 here.
West
Hills.
Okay.
Saturday.
We call West Hills.
Yeah, ghetto hero.
And
the whole baby girls.
It was a minya ticket.
I say silver bed.
Also, you more bet me prefer hard you know. Yes, baby prefer hard. You prefer hard.
Was a boy. Fire. It was fun. It was UK as usual, you know.
Yeah, more Samini no picture.
Yeah, if you are a copy. Okay. You got it. Samini now who say I'm the fireman.
Yeah, we champion.
I was saluting. But Tiati who say yes. Because you pay more judge a few. Okay. I was Tottenham. Edmonton. Candy Baby. Empress. More fire. Now too much. Samini now because
what trust to be
moved. Tina we fireman. Me woni mi shia. Definitely wo beba.
Yeah.
Aba be kace Tina we dey.
Yeah.
Yes. O say Tina we fireman.
Because they do baby me which say pictures now ko for fumu obi abeso do twa say.
More fire.
Hey, and this was said you could do. Dale, nyame show.
Yeah, so. Betway for the love of the game. Online sports betting. Nebane se hunam yaw dia Unirob Polak Ice Gel. More fire for pain relief. In 3 Herbal Clinic. Nese makancho se yare bia to bia gono ebe kosisia oba enkekawa chiwa ebe kosisia oba ubu nsana ye oya ebe kosisia because in 3 Herbal Clinic omusa yare pa in sawam kwan so and abu in 3 Herbal Clinic. Nese unam sawam kwan so a eno an say Adesu Road wono in 3 Herbal Clinic. Freumu 054 7864 174 054 7864 174. Nese unam in sawam road Adesu Road wona ubehu in 3 Herbal Clinic. Say stroke na person how and na say chese yade benetetewu and one so akọ in 3 Herbal Clinic na doctor obetene tede amount. More fire, no time for any imbecility. Now no doctor ko Italy wa bakura chese utim say oni de the bia what is someone in the doctor dey we brutal in 3 Herbal Clinic. More fire. Ujano esiwa bede ubeba ja will always give I strength. More fire. A lot of messages. What you say umpo abai sa aide account. Into normalization the womb because more than 13 years says football no pa. na mo pe kwan bi so ama ya prepare ho akoye elections na kalabuli na asa to aso no way elections in the beba so but until say normalization na aye reforms ni ye yes she bibia ye yes CC pillars ni ye ye tutu bibia ye ni de normalization is still in charge more fire
sani man dey so mo ya wie
oh
status ni sani say ni aka ni election but that is the election ne be cost so then na ye problems
na ye wie na no mo ye wie
da bi ye wie
kwato ya ba no aba nim si ye kwato
da bi say so eno so na court sem ni ade
more fire
you see a very necessary say ye better to ye near year as football people going forward. You say 13 years football na say corporate institutions and person omo de omo be bata Ghana football. Yeah say ne be ya football ni ye start ya ukofo de omo be shem Ghanaian players ye ton mo akwa outside ye betimi aton musika e mu odu ye tu omo ka kokrom ha ye betu omo musika ye because sponsors e be ba on board
bonfire
normalization omo nwie ya omo nko be bia enu na me ka wa ha manya ne tie say ya yesterday omo mandate to 17th of November I will say the more because if even all things being equal say election e cost on the 25th of October I also mo handover when you handing over ultimi nka say ne time aso September ntino na che say na juma bi I will say FIFA day extension but nti so be ka ye predict we fi ha say e den I will say FIFA day extension ne ba say na be ya no mo beti ba ku but ne ye mo ba no kura de em say
kasi ye ka o fi a we na nye prediction
say
ye kasa ne kasa yenim ni na gina so because even kwa no so mu yini patria na for
yes yeah
vetting no so
you identity as any money in 90 me amaso you see me wo issues bebre about vetting me te say bi nim kwa de ye obu film na edu ba bi na o say for bobo dey ti na wo say basa ade na ye ma na fair ground
ane ketati say ana mama nkofo bi a pass through vetting no na mo kromo anka mo me twa man nkofo bi a pass through vetting no maba ni nyankopon de makọ de maba
ane kenya ho na ye hwese ne mo betumi asasa
ane ye fire
ane kenya ho
ane ye fire you see no water can quench up the fire too
because
you benya to so pa Ghana
say
entro no doso
me betra me bo obi bet ade na amara na ye gina so disqualify obi no obi dia qualify
yes
samra na ye dia disqualify obi no obi dia qualify intina bibisa me ho say kwamba so na fa so ye vet no amra dia ye ka say ye verdict that's a verdict the ba na say won jintuma ye nko appeal ene mate say the other side in the camp appeal ye na ye hwe ni mu ye hwe the outcome intimi de ne make say normalization until say ye be election ewie aye handing over and sign na ye who say normalization obujo ama ba wie but until now na dia bibia ntimi ma so sa na de ye gusu a it is very necessary now we say football for so nyanto base mate say nkofo e wo grounds o mo ye o mo campaign obi e meti ba the campaign very necessary but we making sure say issues now the ball on board no manifesto na da bia nkofo and otena say friend papu e launch the manifesto ye na betima ko copy but the make say ne mana mo digu paper so say mo ba ye no ye to nkini o obia book da ho etu wo ba na say football for to abama wa ye o first time na yakofo book no wo so be ye we utimi ye wo so be utimi ye won timi anya automatically ye be vote wow so that this time football no be atiase I to say Ghana ye general election so wo ba wo be dwo onum so wo be ye we no won timi anya abato di do so a ye beto abati ya it is that ye pass obi and the manifesto ba mo famra ye twe obi a manifesto wo blueprint fabra na wo de ba na ye to aba no ma owie na watimi anya ne wo so be ye na ye be vote you out it be there until say ye be yes anima ye na awie normalization is still in charge but or say ministry minim ne ministry aye for side we ho na minim say aye aban FIFA collaboration and the normalization by but you see minia normalization ye dey marketing kiti bebi wa me e bro madwene ne meti ase so me feel say was a bind dey omo bam kakra
ka chese man
ana making honorable ye be serew wo ye stadium wo ye ne manema wo hwe national teams ni ade
but enya kofia mu asa
that be ana make also
kofia mu abu ade so mu
o say minister wo dey aban wo dey make me first wo na represent aban
of course minister
straight
wo dey also kofia mu ade so abu ade so mu ade also o chire
normalization ye nema be bi ho se bi me en Thomas
o say minister ne kasa
ya congress normalization say ye vet ni we no be an qualifier ye betimi ama ni pada kwan na wa ye appeal ye call congress ni we ye ba fie na normalization ko ya sen ye letters say appeal ko ye free ye disqualify wa no ano no unya kwan enko appeal verdict re ba ya normalization ko ya say de ye disqualify wo betimi akọ appeal enti no inconsistencies ni ya do so normalization for so ye minim ne yakoso ho wo yesa obeti ba bia obeka se opeso ofa kwan bi so na wo disqualify the pan but any right enti mesre ye wato ni general okuma time emu ye de no minister any Ghana ban any GFA and o ko FIFA attorney general go fedo dame oni de di animu o delegate ni ko FIFA enti ye mesre se ba bia keka ko no anibri ya ba adu election time ye ba be to about the 25th enti mesre se minister woni attorney general mo fa mo hunjim niema bi ko so wo vetting committee na so ye normalization na so ye a me feel say kwan bi so no emwa ada ne ye disqualify obi na nkofo bi tim di omo influence e metim dis ankofo ni na be ka ho e na make no emra ye di obi a o qualify no ye di disqualify obi menti ase menti chese e ye madwum kase no wanyan menti ne ma bi ase enti me de ne make so
as much as normalization ye ta wachi right now we are telling Ghanaians you are still in charge because if you say reforming no ye nyemie ana ye nhihye Ghana football as much as ye ta wachi it doesn't mean so obedin kwa asema che.
Yeah, you see, and
also bu sports ministry to be precise minister no.
You see, GFA na normalization that president you no.
Bonfire.
Omone FIFA ban and the Dr. Kofi Amon administration buy.
No Dr. Kofi Amon anya ban na senko.
And American eti o say what you say
na ban na so
collaboration
representative
ban na say be honorable sports minister we normalization is say omonye no mo pe okruma. You see, your chorus and ye are. Your babo, Nana Kufa do a buying. Nidine babo.
Bonfire. Say football na ye. Cause a football na ye. Finally.
Football na ye.
Ye two abasa de
na ye. Football for one solid year.
Yes.
Na ye normalization no. Abai de lidi ye. Nti your chorus and ye ya. When did ye kobo?
Bonfire.
Ye bo biadi apart from abai.
Bonfire.
Ye call Brazil 2014. Black Star. And this a free uncle go dear anymore near my basa. Why didn't your boy? Your boy this your bandage on mama. I didn't a boy ya or Mulusu 2016 election. I didn't know Kufado, honorable sports minister. Near my big course of vetting committee, GF normalization committee for so ya. And yet, Mufam Hunjim, Mumbia money. Attorney General go for the dame, who don't dear Nimuko FIFA. Mumbia money or Mumbia money, and nobody because why yes, sir. Crab first way, Benya for president, can also mean I do Mujim. No, for Mujim, also multiple Timidin, Mujim, sports minister Timidin, Timidin, sports minister, Kofi Amuan. A woman say, Yamo mandate, but a number so, and I said, and buy an American, a Ghana, you man, or more mobile board, banning and recommend you more mobile. More fire. It's then we are, dear, said you. Who involve ya now also intimidate also
now back to so-called football people. What is your worried say I stand normalization?
Oh, that you mean so be I worried.
Okay.
I don't know be worried. Fine, my man explaining him been show.
Fantastic.
Election I
bonfire.
All things being equal. You have to about on the 25th of October.
Bonfire. Anything is possible.
Normalization. Oh yes. 25th. Nema bia mi huhu ni
ada. I make say 25th no bo near to.
Anything is possible.
Of course.
Because documents be nema bia mi huhu.
Fireman. German. You don't take me serious. Any fire for fire partners, any fire for fire serious. You need me account. More fire. Two fire also.
All things being equal. I also get to about on the 25th of October. Normalization committee on mandate in September.
Bonfire.
Yeah, to about the 25th. We are also be 2 weeks and now 1 month. And they are handing over.
Fantastic.
It is a September, no?
Bonfire.
Yeah, to about the point here.
Bonfire.
Automatically, also extension.
Yes, you are to me that 25th.
The way I never call a extension for Bessiaba.
Because you penny year, and you penny year,
not at all. Football no guache.
Ambushing them.
And I make us say do baby. Your ball league for 5 solid years. No any headline sponsors.
Court to send.
I don't know what's a basa.
Local league a goo.
Yeah, but park so now go for the court. Get to what's a basa.
Grassroots a goo.
Goes to this say pro the say. They say
various national
teams with Cotton tell you more free. They are called Shiska, they are back. Ordinary Ghanaian now, all torn near my yet to the Tyson. Then the Sika, show now for so be a muscle. And this Sunday money, the young Macron Masani Manu Mabu. And the honorable sports minister, one again at Baye, Attorney General, I'm from Jim.
Football no be say gina yem fa F president bia keke position executives bia
keke I will say to aba man for we competent and in here
go for this woman nya chance am
e bia ne mo fire kakra
0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 0302211704 or 2 seconds bonfire Bismarck Amwaku Boadu Marco and Christie Company director I'm on fire. Bizo, fireman. Oja. Yakwa woman so. Ah? Mr. Roman wasted time why? Nana yanko 2 seconds. Nana yanko.
Zongo.
Kasa 2 seconds.
Zongo. Nana yanko. If you ask me question, they say, what have you already idea? I've learned it was what I say.
Bonfire.
The independent. It is out of the feeling in the court for pie and your man from there.
Oja, mama kwa bra phobia, bra. Bonfire. Bet me for the life of the game.
So you need to be checked out normalization because normalization will no matter so born and no money montias. Now me come one say people say no so also so go for media. I'm going to tell me and to about near you to go for because
Oja, Kabiru Motors, Bonfire. Kabiru Motors.
The person can say a penny for no mudia no for a woman. Tron what?
She
remember that argument day. Young couple and young over now. Ebu Boko, and she said, I know that you let the truth be true. Oh, my church.
Oja, sa kwa di more fire betway.com.gh.
So kaka make Kenyan say, let me make and quatem here. Mide menya and I don't get the best room. Sada that follow me through Jomo Numu Campo Sackers and 30 years in the moment. No one in our view, young would be proper beyond your mind. It's your best room, someone try. I hope will be near and over there. If you pop up piano, moment to me.
Oja, Kosovo, Unirob, Polar Ice Gel, Fetuki, Bonfire. Yeah.
Dongo, yeah, for Pobisu, Bano Mokasa, Georgia Fio, no need you. No one fear Kaina flew. No one if you into Mokase, and I drop out Georgia Frio, man, away. No one if you. In the film. Into Mumu sweat to cut it out Muka.
Okay, my dream ban for in 3 Herba Clinic. Yadi be obesa ma. Adwemba. Badwemba.
Yeah.
Me pacho emre ni why? No wato obo ase ni 2 seconds per kata yenko.
Zongo.
More fire.
You krom na say that manifesto chief winner at football. I bet chama I three mama Ghana football yi dia nature say pre krom.
More fire. Matias here, what a manifesto cheap way. It's cheap. Again, a woman, Omakwana will be a type Yama. Again, we
say, Ubi Kwadi MZ or MZ China for documents in MZ. Okutu
Kalabule kwa. Mo pekwan so that diano de Eddie Ababaji the blue na mudi yesike die basa.
But fireman, you see more fire. Yeah, oda mo famra. Because a banner da ho, na buku ni da ho. Now ye to abama o. No one to me anya. You make a
bayan to abama sankofo no.
But you see, I dey sankofo omo na ebe to omo so aba.
Oh, but no omo wo papa nim.
O papa wo. Na na your boss de ne dia ba. Amanda de ne dia ba. Lawyer de ne dia ba. Georgia Free de ne dia ba. Papa de dia ba. Papa say de ne your chama
Pama ye na film.
Pama ye Pama film.
E tu ka Pama
yeah. So also contest wo court. Enti ya be from Papu o chira e na de ne dia ba.
Okay,
Papa say e be ko na ko support.
Into
ba bia ya be so obi ya me we shi no de
with their guns, pampers and money. Come on then. Trying to delete our integrity. Now I'm the fireman. Oja.